Acid rain occurs by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air. These substances can rise very high into the atmosphere, where they mix and react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form more acidic pollutants, known as acid rain. We can identify acid rain when the rainfall is below 5.6 on the pH scale. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides dissolve very easily in water and can be carried far by wind. As a result, these components can travel long distance and become part of rain, sleet, snow, and fog that we may experience on certain days. Thank you.